All right.
Get a little closer. Baby. Let's get this running around.
Do I need to twist it going in a little bit?
These iron-headed big locks, way too much.
Okay. Now, let's turn it this way.
Come back towards you then.
Yeah. I probably ought to get my, come down a little. Which hole do they go in? Top or bottom?
I think the very top two.
Okay.
So we gotta come down.
Oh, I think we're there.
Now back up a little.
Okay, whoa. Come up a tiny amount, I think. Hold it. I may have lied to you, and then it come down.
You may trade with you? Yeah, you start.
Well, yeah, I was started, I couldn't tell if I needed to go up or down just a tiny little.
Okay. Try that. I thought about buying some studs. You know, 3 or 4 inch long studs that once I get it, I can.
Yeah, but you're tight on the front.
I had a 360 on here last time. There's a 9/16 if you need it.
Yeah, that's what I need. Back to that. Are we ready to let it down?
Not yet.
Oh, we're back. We've about got it ready to go, but Joe had to run an errand and I'm wrapping up the wires. Now the wires look terrible. I understand that. We burnt some of them up and we don't have the routing good and everything. But this is because I'm actually shipping it with headers, so I have to redo the wires and everything when I get it back to the house. So excuse all of that, but we should have it running soon. It just won't look as good until I get it home and touch up the paint and redo the wires and everything. Well, you missed a lot while the camera was messing up, but we'll do it all over for you just because we owe that to you. It starts good to us now, but we were wondering about if we needed to use the vacuum advance or not. So we're going to play with that a little bit and see how that goes.
And you'll have to pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger?
Yep.
south and on the sidewalk. They're doing outside only, right?
It's touching.
Well, I think we smoked this one and smoked that one over there.
Well, I think it's a safe start right now to where somebody could actually run it and drive it,
Yeah, yeah,
you know? And I think you should run vacuum advance on it like that.
we'll leave it.
I mean, lock him down. Drop in, turn key ready. That's what he's wanting.
Yep. The way we've got it now, we've got everything set up where he doesn't have to do anything except hit the button.
$170.
Did you look at the oil pressure?
It's still holding 45.
Yeah.
Like it did. Didn't even notice we were running.
Yeah. I like it.
155 up here. 151.
I mean, I got a lot of little things to do, but I think we've got the majority of it done.
Yeah.
When I take it home, then I'll put the exhaust manifolds on it, fix the plug wires and little things like that. I think it's all gonna be wonderful.
The saga is almost over.
Yep. Yep.
And I bet you $1 these lifters didn't turn.
I hope they didn't.
They didn't spin today.
I hope they didn't.
I'm gonna have to pull the mufflers off and hear it before I
Oh no, you got to do it, don't you?
go in the house, yeah.
I think we're happy with everything. I just have to take it home and clean it up and do the things that I need to do, and then he'll be ready to come and get it. Steve, I'll be giving you a call soon.